everybody. I wanted to tell you a little bit more about the Norwex silicone lids because I am a huge fan. I have every single size that they offer. The colors may be a little different what they're offering today, so if you want to ask me or check the catalog to see what colors are available, but I have all of them. So I'm going to show you today how I use them, give you some more information about them. First of all, why do you need them? Now, they are going to save you money because you're going to be replacing things like plastic wrap, foil, wax paper, even paper towels, because these are going to be useful in so many different ways. So let me tell you a little bit of details about the silicone lids. They all come with a 1-year warranty. They are microwave safe, refrigerator safe, and oven safe up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. So those are really, again, diverse. I'll go over the packages here so you can get these in a 2-pack, the smaller ones in a 4-pack, or you can buy the individual square and rectangle. All right, so let me show you how I use them in my house. One of the items that I have, and I have several of these, are these really awesome casserole dishes, but over the years, the lids have cracked, so I don't have lids for these. The silicone lid, the large round, works perfectly for this. So all I do is I take this, it's a flat room surface, I just stick it on like that, and I can put this in the oven and I can cook my food with it. Isn't that cool? And then it transfers right to the refrigerator afterwards. If I'm doing like an outdoor barbecue or something, I don't have to worry about foil or anything to keep the bugs out because I just leave these on. And then they can come with their spoons, scoop up what they need, put it back down. Isn't that cool? I like to use the small ones on ramekins like this when I'm baking smaller items. And again, you stick it right on top. And I love my girlfriend's hack, which is that when she's having her wine in the backyard, she likes to use her lid on top so that the bugs don't get in it. Really great one, right? I will tell you though, for me, my favorite use is probably to use this on an avocado. You can cut an avocado in half, take the pit out, and you can lay this on top of the avocado. And if you've got a nice cut around it, you can actually tap in the center and it will create a seal and your avocado will stay green for longer. I actually have a great little video on that and I'll share that with you guys if anybody wants to see it. But so going back to this, just to show you what I mean, if you put the lid over your rim and tap in the center like that, amazing, right? Another way I found that they come in super handy for me is with dishes like this. This never actually came with a top. So the longer rectangle silicone lid works perfectly for something like this. Look at that. So I can cook my item in the oven and then I can take it straight to the refrigerator when I'm done serving it. Isn't that really neat? And of course there's the square. So if you have square sized dishes, it's great for that as well. And so you can see there's a whole bunch of different uses for the silicone lids. And even beyond using them for what I've just shown you, there are lots of fun hacks that people have found for them. For example, I like to use the small lids as a gripper for opening jars. I mentioned for the avocado, for the half of the avocado, and also it saved me when my drain stopper stopped working in my spare bathroom and I was panicked, my daughter wanted a bath. I was able to throw this down, use that kind of suction cup that I showed you, and it's a drain stopper. So I've never gotten it fixed actually. One of these is sitting in the bathroom now. So there are a ton of different uses for them. They're sustainable, reusable, they're great for the environment. So if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed this demo.